Today, a judge dismissed a Lynchburg Commonwealth's attorney's candidate's lawsuit against the Virginia Department of Elections. Chris White claims that his name is listed incorrectly on the ballot.
White is running against Republican incumbent Bethany Harrison. His concern is that his full name was printed on the ballot rather than the name that he requested and campaigned as, Chris White.
ABC 13's Alexia Stambridge breaks down why the judge decided to throw out this case.
The judge mainly dismissed the motion because he says White named the incorrect defendant. He sued the Virginia Department of Elections rather than the local registrar or his office. The judge also says he incorrectly named his campaign committee as the plaintiff rather than Chris White himself and requested the Department of Elections do something that they're not permitted to do.
Well, my opponent has demonstrated that he is wholly inappropriate to be your next Commonwealth attorney by the fact that with this lawsuit, his inability to follow the rules of the Supreme Court, to follow the law of the Commonwealth, to name the correct defendant, and therefore his lawsuit was dismissed.
White is a practicing attorney. He sued the Department of Elections for over $900,000 in damages. He also wanted to stop early voting in Lynchburg, fix the ballot, and redo votes that were already submitted. But the Attorney General's office representing the Department of Elections says that is not their role. Do you think you're fit to be Commonwealth's attorney if there's these simple issues like this?
Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm definitely fit to be Commonwealth's attorney. I don't think that, I think I wouldn't be fit to be Commonwealth's attorney if I let little things like this slide. If we're letting, murderers get mistrials.
But if you were Commonwealth's attorney, would there be issues like this where things were filed incorrectly?
So no. So I am a solo practitioner, and it's just me. So I'm fighting the good fight. My opponent has an entire office as an army of lawyers and assistants and paralegals to all do the little things and check things, and I don't have that.
White says he plans to go back, fix any issues, and refile the lawsuit, this time against the Lynchburg registrar and his office. Reporting in Lynchburg, Alexia Stambridge, ABC 13 News.